Hi, my name's Kelly Napier, and I'm going to present a virtual manipulative for a second grade geometry. And I found it on this National Library of Virtual Manipulatives. And the web address is nlvm.usc.edu /em_t_3.html, and it's got a whole bunch down here. And the one we're going to be using is attribute blocks. And we just hit later. And it'll pop up this screen. And we're going to skip that version. And hit run. And here it's going to show this little box that has all these different shapes, different colors, different sizes. And this is really great for students, I feel, because it's easy for them to understand the colors especially and see the different sizes. And it helps them to also see the different sides and vertices that these shapes have. And up here it says all the blocks inside have the same shape, color, or size. Some of the blocks outside belong with the blocks inside. Which blocks belong inside? So what they're going to do is they could do this individually, or you could start them out in a group as the whole class and let them raise their hand and decide. And so in this circle, we see there's different colors and there's different shapes. So what do all these four shapes have in common? Well, their size for the most part. And you could have a lot of students say, well, let's put in the green square. There's a green square. And there's a blue pentagon. So we'll put in a blue pentagon. And then you might have a student say, well, there's another blue pentagon. We'll put that in there. And then you go to check, and it pops it back out. So we know that's wrong, and it says up here, try again. But it still doesn't say we're right, so we're missing something. So we can go and we put in this blue triangle is the same size. This one's the same size and same color. So we've got two different colors and one set of sizes with all different shapes. So we can hit check. It still says try again. So it's looking for everything that's the same size. So we can go over here and pull in this red circle. Hit check, and it'll say correct. All blocks inside are large. So then you can hit new problem, and it says the same thing at the top. It never changes. All the blocks inside have the same shape, color, or size. Some of the blocks outside belong with the blocks inside. Which blocks belong inside? And here we see blocks of different shapes and different sizes, but they're all red. So we can pull in all the red ones, no matter their size, shape, color, and hit check. Correct. All blocks inside are red. Then you can hit new problem. And here we are again with different colors, different shapes, but they're all small. So we'll try this one more time. And we'll hit, oh, we left it a circle. Check. Correct. All blocks are small. And here we look at these, and we've got small ones and big ones and all different colors, but they're all got the same number of sides and vertices. And this is what I really like about this app, is it does different ones. So they have to keep looking at what is it that's the same. Not just their color and not just their size. But I really like whenever it pops up about their shape. And that way they have to notice the sides and the vertices. So we can pull these in. And let's say They just happen to pull in this yellow square because they see all that yellow. And as they try again, and it'll pop it out for them, and they can kind of look around and think they maybe missed something, or they can just say, well, that might be it. Hit check and correct all blocks inside our pentagons. So I think this is a really great virtual manipulative for students to use, especially for such a young age. They're kind of caught in the middle there. And it's something they can do as a group, and it's also something they can do individually. They can also do it at home. And you could send a note home with parents with the web address. And it's also on that same web address, it's got multiple geometry virtual manipulatives for students for in different grades. Also, I did the second grade, and they have grades 3 to 5, 6 to 8, and 9 through 12. But of course, we're focusing on second grade right now. And again, it focuses on their attributes of the shapes.